my wife and daughters, we moved there for several years for my wife's work, and that's where I met Frank. And I wrote this song as just kind of a day-to-day, just like a little observation about day-to-day life and living in Bangkok, and about a bar we met at called Fatty's Bar that we used to play music at a lot. And then we moved back to the U.S. thinking we'd go back to Thailand quite often, but then the pandemic happened right away, and we didn't get to go back for a few years.
Pandemic?
Yeah, that was a pandemic. And so that's when I finished the song and wrote the chorus and all that, and it's called No Place I'd Rather Be. Sitting alone, moments you pass, riding by the light, the cast iron lamp, faucet dress, and spins overhead. Bottle of sing something, stain no pain. Paint chips off, the plaster is cracked. Shutters stuck open with a broken glass. We're kinda sad when it hangs in the air, stale as the dust covers the stairs. Only in our dreams. Oh, there's no place I'd rather be. Only in our dreams. Oh, there's no place I'd rather be. Down on the soil, below your window, shop house crumbles and the old man smokes, wearing no shirt on a sweltering night, selling satay next to his wife, plastic chairs stacked next to the street carts and rats. Watch your step as the bus rages past. Nothing so sweet as the wind off the cloth. That ain't right, I'd rather be wrong. Only in our dreams. Oh, there's no place I'd rather be. Only in our dreams. Oh, there's no place I'd rather be. Time to get back to Fatty's Bar. Minutes by motorbike, 2 hours by car. Just take the subway, walk for a while. The apples are dancing with a smile. Like a young butterfly back from Saigon. Dutch friend from Birmingham, I wandered till dawn. Taxi gets lost on the way back home. Yelling about yellow streets and guns and bombs. I guess you don't know what he really said. Halfway to the airport, so far from your bed. Only in our dreams. Oh, there's no place I'd rather be. Only in our dreams. Oh, there's no place I'd rather be. Only in our dreams. Oh, there's no place I'd rather be. Only in our dreams. Oh, there's no place I'd rather be. Except maybe Belgium or Sweden. We have a few more songs. Once again, thanks for coming out tonight, and thanks for the new Anita for having us. And we go on from here. We're in Leiden tomorrow, and then Antwerp and Brussels and Roselaar, Belgium. So if you have any friends that you think might be interested, send them our way.
Or you want to follow us around?
One of the biggest fans right there.
Walk but don't walk too fast and talk but try not to laugh and hold on to her tight. Feel her warm smile, steal her kiss for a while and walk into the night. Go on through the grass, show her it's gonna last and knowing it will be alright. Please sing her song, don't wait too long, just lose your stage fright. People will never stop falling in love with someone who won't love them back. People will never stop falling in love with someone who won't love them back. Look up at the stars, smell the sweet smell of the flowers, and hold on to her tight. Tell her how you feel, just let go of the wheel and don't give up without a fight. People will never stop falling in love with someone won't love them back. People will never stop falling in love with someone who won't love them back. Say the thing that you mean, get out of your eyes, coming out cold light. Let things go how they go, and you can say hello again and say goodnight. You can say, you can say, you can say goodnight.
Thank you. I'm gonna do one more song. Ryan Hillier in front of me. Thanks so much for coming out tonight. And Blake and Frank.
I had nothing else to do tonight, so. Yeah.
Out in the trees near the river, so deep, I'll beg please, don't let me go. Waiting for your heart to find that I need you to know. I will be the one in the cold, in the dark, in the sun, trying to feel what love is real. side by side by the water at night. You know I'm not letting you down. I will be the one in the cold, in the dark, in the sun, trying to feel what love is real. After the I saw who you are at the hotel bar. The first real thing I'd ever known. That one time I thought you might be beneath the streetlights of Trenton. I will be the one in the cold, in the dark, in the sun, trying to feel what love is real. After the oil rush, trying to feel what love is real. After the oil rush. Thank you.
All right, Ryan Holwiger and gang.
Thanks so much, everybody.
Merch over there, bar and donations over there. We'll be back in. Can we do 15 minutes again?
We'll try.
Or less? We'll see. See you in a bit. Cheers.